What we have here is the GP303. This is called the Golden Ally. This is a new chair by Golden Technologies. This is a folding power chair with a 330-pound weight capacity. This unit is airline approved. It's going to go about 5 miles an hour and give you up to about a 9-mile range. Now this unit with the battery inside is going to be 56 pounds. It is airline approved. If you pull the battery out, it is easy to pull out of the back. You're going to be at 51 pounds. So do know it's 51 pounds as light as you're going to get this unit. But it is a very good unit to have something that holds up to 330-pound weight capacity. You are going to have 8-inch solid tires in the front, and you're going to have 10-inch air tires in the rear. Now this unit does have flip-up arms on both sides. You can flip it up for easy access. Now you can put the joystick on either side. It does have a built-in USB, and I want to say this is a C port here as well, so you do have both different devices that you'd be able to hook up to this unit. It does have a digital display. You are able to lock the joystick. It is a cool unit. It doesn't really look that wheelchair bound type like a lot of different power chairs look. You can remove the cushion. It is 17 by 17, so you can put your own cushion on there if you want. But what really makes this unit unique is it is going to fold. So if you do pull these levers here on both sides, you really only need to pull one, and then you can begin to fold the unit forward. The unit is going to fold down and snap in place. Now I did mention earlier in another video it's 30 inches this way. It's 24 inches this way, and it's 17 inches high. So if you're looking to fit it in a vehicle, that's the dimensions you need. To unfold the unit, you have a black lever here in the back. You're going to push that down and then kind of pull this out kind of like a stroller. It does going to come back here with a hard case that you can put your charger in. It does have a flip-up foot plate. So I think it's going to be a really, really nice unit for somebody that's up to 330 pounds that wants to travel. Go ahead and take a look at the GP303 Golden Ally.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.